Okay, hey guys, this is me. So, I'm actually going to try and do something. I'm going to show you how to open this drone, and also I'll be right back. And look. So let's get started.
Oh, is this recording?
Stop.
Oh, it's recording.
I'm actually trying to make a video. Okay, I'm back, friends, from the store. So now, I actually got the drone right here. Let's check it out. Got the drone. Got the remote. Got this. And friends, don't forget, this toy costed $500 or $200. It depends what type it is, and the type it is what I'm actually going to show you right now. Yep, that's the one. So now, I'm going to put it right there. So, let's take out one of these batteries. Okay, taking out this. So how it says to open it is, you gotta get this drone, and then you gotta get this pole, push it like that, and then push this like this. Friends, don't forget, these are actually for adults. Even though I'm a kid reporting this. Then it says, take off this with like this. Then take it off. Like that. Got this. Here. Okay, friends, I'm back. So this is my friend Dean. We're just turning on the remote. I'm just gonna turn the video thing on. Gotta press it and then until you see that. Make sure not to fly, okay? Okay, let's go, friends. So now we're actually gonna fly it. Right now. Let's go fly it. Okay, now we're actually out into, see? And let's go. So I got the drone. And look, see, it's moving itself. It's good, look. It's windy out right now, and this actually can move. So if it is moving.
Well, when it is windy, it's not really windy.
Yeah, it's not really windy. So in case it's actually really windy, and this can't control.
Camera stays.
Yeah, the camera goes like this, and then instead, it actually can go.
Don't move the camera.
It actually can go like this. It goes like this.
Yeah, hold it still.
Yeah, see?
Should we fly it?
And now look, in case it actually falls, look, these two parts. So watch. See?
Careful, don't.
It did not.
Oh,
It did
careful.
not really hit, but it does.
Yeah.
But see, the camera's way in there.
Yeah.
So that means it will not hit. So in case it flies bam like that, this would not actually break or get cracked open because this is actually glass. So you see this? It's actually crashing, and this goes like this, and we don't want that to happen. So we do it like this. So come on, friends, Let's fly it. So wait, now we're actually gonna fly the Jet D6. Well, it's actually usually the Jet D3. So come on, let's go fly it. Can I be flying on Goodie?
Yeah. Where are you gonna fly it from?
Like over there.
Careful.
No, so just in case, you got this landing pad for to land in a safe place. So friends, we are going to slap it down. And then we're just going to put the drone on the placemat. Get them fall apart like this. Well, if you don't really actually have to do this, but when this is actually going to fly, you don't actually want this to happen. It crashes. So, let's get started. So right now, we are actually going to fly now. What the?
Yeah, it's recording. When it's blinking red, it's recording.
Okay, so, let's see it move. Come on, let's see it move. Let's adjust this thing. Make it look like this.
So Oliver accidentally hit the fast forward button on the camera, and there's no audio, so we're just gonna watch him fly it now and get it ready and go up and down with it. So he got really good at going up and down, and he had a lot of fun doing that. Normally when you get it down to the ground, it'll stop flying and turn off, but he figured out a way to make it go up right before it is about to do that. So that's what he was doing there. So now he's getting ready to take off. Or he's explaining, actually, that it can't go through the fence, but if you fold it, then it can go through. And that's it.